Hi everyone, Rich from Mowd. Welcome back to this week's video, and this week we've got the 3 key benefits of using seaweed on your lawn. Seaweed is one of the oldest fertilizers used on crops and lawns for hundreds of years. It's a natural ingredient, and our sea of green seaweed meal is harvested straight from the Atlantic Ocean. But why should you be using seaweed on your lawn? Well, the first reason is that it is a really good soil improver. If you have a heavy clay-based soil, putting seaweed in when you've hollow-tined or even solid-tined your lawn can really help aerate the soil, it'll help lighten the soil, and that means the roots are going to find it much easier to retrieve all of the nutrients from the soil and get them into the plant itself. So if you've got clay soils, it's a brilliant soil improver. The second reason is it can help retain moisture in the soil and in the root zone. This is particularly useful if you've got a sandy soil, as it will help keep the moisture near the roots where the roots can access it. And of course, when we're looking at longer, hotter summers, drier summers, that is absolutely key. And when you couple it with one of our wetting agents, then you're going to make the most of the moisture and the water that's available to your garden. And the final benefit, for me, this is one of the biggest ones, it is a natural product. You're putting less chemicals down on your lawn, and actually you can't scorch your lawn with seaweed. You won't see any excessive growth, and it is just really good, a really natural way to fertilize your lawn. So there we go, those are the 3 key benefits why you want to put seaweed on your lawn. Our Sea of Green seaweed meal is available on our website, and if you want to know more about any of these products or your lawn care in general, then come and join us on our Facebook group, My Lawn by Mowd. I'll pop the link in the description down below, and also like this video, share it, and subscribe as well. We're doing these videos every week. Every Saturday we'll push another video out to you, short, sharp videos to keep you learning and improve your lawn care. Don't forget, visit www.mowd.uk for all of your lawn care needs. Apart from that, we'll see you next week.